How to change phone number in Telegram on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can change your phone number on Telegram Messenger in iPhone. Now while you may think that it's complicated, actually the process is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through quick and easy through this video. Now first things first, what you want to do is you want to simply open up a Telegram where you'll be logged into your account here. Now in my case I'm already logged in, as you can see here on the screen. Now what you want to do next is you want to tap on the settings icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, or settings option. You can see at the bottom contacts option, chats option and settings. You want to simply tap on settings option. Once you tap on settings, you should get an interface like this, right? Now if you scroll down here below, you want to get any option to change your phone number. Now to change it, what you want to do is you want to tap on the edit option at the top right corner of your screen that you can see right now. Here you can see change phone number option. Simply tap on change number option there, and you can simply again tap on change number and enter in your new number. It'll send a confirmation code to your new number. You want to confirm that code and you'll be good to go. So this way you can change your phone number on Telegram in iPhone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.